professional is by vacuuming with those and putting those lines in there. A customer will know that you're a professional because your vacuuming looks just as neat and clean, and they're going to think that if you're that careful and particular with the way that you vacuum the carpet, something that they can see, they're going to think that you're just as meticulous in things that they can't necessarily see. So what I'm going to do today, well, let me start with this because you don't know who I am. Maybe you do. I'm Miss Jenny with Miss Jenny's Cleaning, and I'm going to show you how I vacuum. I'm going to do it in a time lapse so that you don't have to listen to the vacuum cleaner and watch me go back and forth and blah blah. So before I do that, I want to point out some tips, and then you can look for these things as you're watching the fast forward vacuuming. You can kind of see over here some remnants, maybe you can, from the last time I was here. And so I do some this way because the wall and the furniture, but I also do some this way, diagonally, because that's how he has his furniture set up, my customer here. But there's other tricks because you don't want any footprints, right? You don't want this room to look like it's been touched after you're finished. So I'll show you some tips. You'll see how I move this fireplace tool over a little bit before, and then I'll move it back in a way so that I don't have to put footprints in there. And the only furniture that I actually move in this room to vacuum is this coffee table. Everything else. Alrighty then, so you see this carpet's already been vacuumed? That's because I'm a professional cleaner and not a professional video person. And YouTube isn't paying me, so I guess that's a good thing, right? There's my little plug. I'm going to go ahead and do this again so that you can see it for real. Hold on. Now that's how you professionally vacuum a carpet. If you notice that, a couple things I wanted to point out, if you notice that I did a double take there in front of the TV stand because there's a little space underneath, so I did underneath, and then I did a row that's just even with the front. The, this is in the way, the little tools that he uses for his fireplace, what I did was I vacuumed up to where they are. After I moved it, I put it back and then continued across the front so that I wouldn't have to walk on the carpet. And the coffee table, after I moved it out and I vacuumed there, if you saw me get down on the floor and push it back, it's because I wanted to make sure that the feet were in the exact same place that they were before. And then this foot that's closest to the front, I use that as my guideline for this this last block here to finish off the room and pull everything together. So, excuse my bloopers, you know. But if you like my video and you have something to tell me about it, go ahead and put it in the comments below. Hit the like button. If you want to see more videos from Miss Jenny's Cleaning, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for stopping by.